At MotivHealth, we believe in lowering healthcare costs and building healthcare savings. A health savings account, or an HSA, is a handy way to save for medical expenses and reduce your taxable income. So an HSA is a personal health savings account that could be used to pay for both current and future medical expenses. The funds in an HSA usually come from contributions made by you, your spouse, or even your employer. Every year you decide how much to contribute to your HSA account, though you can't exceed the government-mandated maximums. If you have an HSA through your workplace, you can set up easy automatic contributions directly from payroll. One of the most compelling features of the HSA is that your HSA dollars are your dollars. They don't expire. In fact, they roll over from year to year, giving you a health security and a future financial asset that can grow. So the money, including premium savings, can be deposited tax-free into an HSA to pay for current or future qualified medical, dental, vision expenses for you and your dependents. You'll receive a debit card or checks linked to your HSA balance, and you can use the funds on eligible medical expenses. These include deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance, plus other qualified medical expenses not typically covered by your plan. Think Band-Aids. They also have a triple tax advantage. HSA contributions from you or your employer are tax-free. Your HSA funds earn tax-free interest. Investment earning, as well as payments for medical care using HSA dollars, those are all tax-free. Finally, there's just benefits now and later. HSA funds accrue interest tax-free and they could be invested. Once an account holder turns age 65, an HSA acts like a 401k in that the funds deposited could be withdrawn for even non-qualifying medical expenses, and they're only subject to your current income tax rate. Thank you for listening. We hope that was a good introduction to a health savings account.